Welcome to Ronald.K Space. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ronald Space, where we talk about making money online, growing your skills, and achieving financial freedom. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a beginner-friendly guide on how to make $100 a day trading on Binance. That's right. Trading can be simple and profitable if you approach it the right way, and I'm going to break it all down for you, step by step. Before we move on, I ask you to like, subscribe, and hit a notification bell so that you will never miss any new videos. And if you find this video useful to you, please tell me in the comment what you think about Binance. And if you don't have an account with Binance, please sign up with my link below the video. This will get you some bonuses from Binance, so do I. You get, I get. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's move on. Step 1. Quick introduction to Binance. What's Binance? Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and it's a fantastic platform for beginners to start trading. You can use Binance to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and hundreds of other cryptocurrencies. And the best part? You can start with as little as $10. Check the link below the video to sign up. As I told you, Binance gives out bonuses if you sign up with my link. Step 2. Setting up your Binance account. Now, before we jump into trading strategies, make sure you have a Binance account set up. If you don't have one yet, I've included a link in the description below where you can sign up and even get a discount on your trading fees. Once your account is ready, don't forget to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your funds. Before we move on to step 3, if you have not yet got any account with Binance, check the link below the video to sign up. Remember, you will get bonuses if you sign up using that link. And I'll get something too. And if you have not yet liked and subscribed, please do. And tell me in the comments what you think about Binance. I would like to know. Don't forget to hit a notification bell so that you will never miss any video. Thank you. Step 3. Trading Basics Explained. All right, let's talk about trading basics. To make $100 a day, we'll focus on spot trading. This is where you buy low and sell high. Simple, right? In spot trading, you can trade using USDT, a stablecoin tied to the US dollar. For beginners, I recommend starting with popular and less volatile pairs like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT. Step 4. The strategy to make $100 a day. Now let's get to the exciting part. How to make $100 a day. The strategy I recommend is called scalping. This means making small, quick trades to take advantage of short-term price movements. Here's the plan. 1. Look for a cryptocurrency that's trending upwards. 2. Use the 5-minute or 15-minute candlestick chart to spot opportunities. 3. Set a target profit of 1 to 2% per trade. 4. Always use a stop loss to minimize risk. Repeat this process a few times a day, and those small profits will add up to $100 or even more. Step 5. Risk management tips. Before we move to step 5, please do me a favor and tell me about what you think about Binance, subscribe, and hit a notification bell so that you don't miss any video. Remember to sign up to Binance using the link below the video. Bonuses are waiting for you. Thank you so much. Step 5. Now let's talk about managing risk. Because trading isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Here are 3 tips to protect your money. 1. Never trade with more than you can afford to lose. 2. Use a stop loss to automatically exit losing trades. 3. Don't let your emotions control your decisions. Stay calm and stick to your strategy. Step 6. Tracking your progress. One more thing, track your trades. Use a spreadsheet or a journal to record your wins and losses. This helps you learn from your mistakes and improve over time. And there you have it, a simple, beginner-friendly strategy to make $100 a day trading on Binance. Now it's your turn to give it a shot. Remember, trading takes practice and patience, so don't be discouraged by small setbacks. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe to Ronald Space. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I've got more trading tips and strategies coming your way soon. Thank you so much for your support.